Westlake Royal PVC trim and moldings add beauty and character to match your home style without all the maintenance of wood. With products available in a variety of profiles, thicknesses, and lengths, a project like a porch column wrap is a snap. We'll be making columns, bases, and capitals for each post, using butt joints and miter joints. First, cut a set of 4 trim boards about 1/2 inch shorter than your porch posts. Next, make 2 well-shaped butt-jointed trim board sets for each porch post you will wrap. Use PVC pipe cement on the joining edges and secure with finishing nails at 16-inch intervals, and then countersink the finish nails. Now it's time to wrap your posts. First, align one of your L-shaped sets with a post, and countersink 2 1/2 inch screws every 16 inches on just one side of your column wrap. Next, add the other L-shaped trim board set. Use pipe cement on each joint edge and secure with finishing nails every 16 inches. Next, add a base to each post. Cut 4 1x8 trim board pieces. Apply cement to each butt joint edge and press into place. Secure each base you create with finishing nails. Miter cut and add the base cap and quarter rounds to your bases. Dry fit each piece to verify your measurements, then glue. Secure your base caps and quarter rounds into position with finishing nails. Using a compound miter saw, cut 4 crown board sections to make your capitals. Dry fit your crown boards to verify your measurements, and then glue into place. Next, secure your crown molding with finishing nails. Lastly, caulk all seams with exterior latex caulk. Fill the nail holes with DAP all-purpose painter's putty and paint with 100% acrylic latex as needed. And now, your column wrap project is complete.